Good day everyone, and welcome back to TMac FPV, your home for better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on something that worked for me that I thought might be able to help a few folks out, specifically those folks that are owners of the Diatone R90 like we have here. If you've owned your R90 for a while, you might be like me and have actually crashed it once, or twice, or more times. And if so, you may have actually broken the side plates on this. Normally the side plates, when I've crashed it, have broken along the legs here at the bottom, either in the front or in the back. Well, as I mentioned, I've crashed mine more than once or twice, and I've broken those side plates more than twice. And I got tired of ordering side plates, waiting for a while for them to come in while my R90 is unflyable, and I got tired of ordering the side plates. And if they didn't happen to be in stock and they had to come from overseas, then I went a different route and I tried to use some 3D printed side plates, both PLA and PETG. None of which worked. So we came up with a better way. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade your R90 side plates so that you may never have to replace them again. Stay tuned. With these new upgraded side plates, the GT-R90 flies great. You want to see how she flies? Take a look at the video FPV Race Backyard Brawl 2018. That's going to do it for now. Hope this helps you out. We'll see you in the next video. Happy flying.